Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Several students are sending messages to me and asking when the CA examination results of November 2000 or December 2020 attempt are expected to be declared. My dear students, I have done some research on the same. I have analyzed within how many days results were declared in the earlier attempts, and I've also analyzed the recent announcements made by some of the CC members, Central Council members of CA Institute. By analyzing all these inputs, I am able to tell what is my prediction. My dear students, this may happen or may not happen, but at least let me tell you what is my prediction is, in my opinion, when results are expected to be announced. As far as CA foundation is concerned, when we analyze the previous examinations, generally results will get declared within 60 days from the date of completion of exams. But this time, CA Institute has clearly stated that they are shifting to digital valuation, as a result of which they can cut down the valuation time by 15 days. Even directly the president of CA Institute has made this announcement in his interaction with students. I have watched it. So my dear students, normally it takes 60 days. Since CA Institute has adopted digital valuation, this time the valuation time may get cut down by 15 days. That means they get announced in 45 days. This time the examinations of CA Foundation got delayed and they got completed by December 14th. If we calculate 45 days from December 14th onwards, somewhere around January 31st, you can expect the results of CA Foundation. Now let us see what about IPCC or CA Inter. At IPCC or CA Inter level, generally results get announced in 75 days. 75 days. But this time CA Institute said that their valuation time will come down by 15 days due to adoption of digital valuation. That means this time results will take around 60 days. This time exams got completed by December 7th. So we need to calculate 60 days from December 7th onwards. It is somewhere around January 31st. But in my opinion, results may get declared still early also, because majority students, large number of students have opted out from IPCC or CA inter-level examinations. But at any cost, they may not get delayed beyond January 31st. We can expect little bit early itself, but they cannot be beyond January 31st. As far as CA final is concerned, generally results will be declared within 60 days from the date of completion of exams. But this time, due to adoption of digital valuation, the valuation time will come down by 15 days. That means results may get announced within a matter of 45 days. This time, the examinations of CA final got completed by December 6th. So if we calculate 45 days from December 6th onwards, it will be somewhere around January 25th. But generally CA foundation as well as CA final results will be declared together. That means even though CA final valuation gets completed early, they will wait and will declare the results along with CA foundation. So most probably results may get declared somewhere between January 25th to January 31st. So, but there is one more possibility. Results may get declared around 1 week early also, because this time several students have opted out from the examination. And my dear students, this examination is a little bit different, because the students of two different attempts, that is May attempt as well as November attempt, have written the examination. That may also impact the valuation time. Now, I have inquired some of the Central Council members with respect to expected date of announcement of results. As per the information given by them, results may get declared somewhere between January 25th to January 31st for the students of all levels of CA course. Even when we estimated expected date of results based on past trends also, we have got the similar dates somewhere between January 25th to January 31st. And I am confident that it will not be delayed beyond January 31st. But my dear students, irrespective of your confidence levels on your results, please start preparing for the exams immediately, assuming that you will get failed in the exams. There is nothing wrong. For example, you have written your CA inter exams, you are confident of qualifying. Even then, you just assume that you may get failed in the examination and start preparing for CA inter exams once again. Otherwise, if you don't open your books and if you don't revise, and if you get a negative result, then by that time you will forget everything that you have read. So this is based on forgetting curve, because whatever we read, we must revise within a matter of 1 hour. That is the first revision. We must do second revision within a matter of 1 take. We must do third revision within a matter of 1 week. We must do fourth revision within a matter of 1 month. If we fail to revise at least for 4 times in this manner, it is obvious that you will forget whatever you have learnt within a matter of 1 month. So that's why, my dear students, if you don't revise whatever you have written in the examination, then there are very good chances that you will forget everything within a matter of 1 month. Don't let it happen, my dear students. Irrespective of your confidence on the results, start preparing for the exams that you have written already, assuming that you may get failed in the examinations. And you must understand that every time negative thinking need not be wrong. So sometimes negative thinking will also do wonders. This is one rare such case. Even if you think in a negative manner, anyhow you will get positive result. That's why, my dear students, spend some time, quality time, start revising whatever you have read, whatever you have written in the examinations. My dear students, don't forget to visit our website www.mastermindsindia.com. Don't forget to visit our Facebook page, Masterminds for CA. Don't forget to visit our Instagram page, Masterminds for CA. So please follow our YouTube channel, Masterminds for CA. And my dear students, recently we have started our own Masterminds app with the name Masterminds Online Classes. Please don't forget to download that app and install in your Android mobile. We did not develop the iOS version, we have developed only Android version. So please install the same in your mobile. There is an option called store. In that store, we are uploading various courses. We are putting various courses for sale. So whatever the course you are interested, you can directly purchase the same without any human intervention, and you can start watching the videos in that course. So please make best utilization of these services, my dear student. And one more thing, my dear students, my contact number is 924873348. My contact number is 924873348. If you have any doubts, especially with respect to academics, you can simply send an SMS or WhatsApp message to me, and I will love to respond for those messages. So if you have any other doubts also, you can directly send an SMS to me. I will love to react to your problems and solve your problems. All the best, my dear students.